Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's so obvious. Today I'll be reviewing Grenaro J13 collar mic. I purchased this collar mic from Amazon. I will share the link in the description box. You can check it out there. So let's get started. It comes with a nice packaging. It was wrapped in the bubble wrap when I got it. If we talk about the body of the cover of this mic, I can't say it's so fine or it's so good in quality, but it's okay. In this budget, the quality is okay, not that bad. Okay, let's open this. And when we open this box, we get three things: the receiver, the two mics with a good clip quality, so we got two mics here, one for you and one for the other person if you want to do a vlog or to create a, if you want to create a video with your partner, some other person. Then this offers two mic. I'm talking about right now I'm talking about the Grenaro J13, which I purchased from the Amazon. And one adapter, one receiver we got here. Other than this, apart than this, what we get here is a tiny little box. In the side of this box, let's see what inside. Okay, let's open this. Okay, I guess we got the cables and the charger in this. Yeah, yes, it's there. Sorry, oops. So in the side package, we got one cable which has two charging slots, one for your one that you can use for your mic, like this. Sorry, wait, here is the charging slot. You can charge it directly, otherwise also you can charge this putting in, connecting with this case. Other than this cable, what we have, let me share it with you. Oh, by the way, it's a C-type cable. We also have a manual booklet here. So it's already written in this manual as well that this is, let me show you, this is the type C receiver of this mic, and this is called microphone transmitter. So these two are the microphone transmitters. Firstly, let's talk about the case in which these microphones and the receiver comes in. So if we talk about the case, it's open like this. Here is the area, the charging area inside. If you can see, it's showing in the camera, through which it's charged the mics and receiver. Other than this, it has a type C slot here, over here, and also it has an indicator here so that you will know that it starts charging. It should be connected with the pins, with the charging pins. Like this, and then we should close this as it's connected to the charger plug-in. About 1.5 or 1 hour to charge, depends on the charger you use. What this red light is indicating, this red light is indicating that this mic is still needs to be charged more. As you can see, this mic doesn't show any light, any blinking. This mic is completely charged. So we will place it here again. We are done with the charging information. Or if you want to connect this with the headphones, one is for if you want to connect this with the speaker. A complete 1-year warranty they offer. Grenaro offer 3 skins of this mic. It's already shown on this box. It's green, it's black steel gray kind of color, and one is blue. This device, this mic, here comes up a button. I need to press and hold a few seconds to open this, to activate this device. See, it's activated. It blinks red and green few times, and it's still blinking. That shows it's activated. The mic, the device is activated now. Now I'm going to plug this device in my phone. But make sure before connecting this device to your phone, the receiver to your phone, your back cover should be removed. If the receiver, the device, is not connected directly, after connecting this device with your Android, on the top of your phone, it will show a USB connection. You need to click on that and allow this device to connect with your Android, with your phone. Sometimes it happens that it's not compatibly connected with every Android version. So for that, if it's not working with your camera, firstly check if it's already working or not. And if it's not working, you can simply go to Google Play Store, and there's an app called Open Camera. Download that, follow the process, allow it to connect with your camera. Okay, let me play some music to test this. You've been running around, throwing that dirt all on my name. Cause you knew that I'd call you up. You've been going around. Let's check the second level, how it's performing. When we click this button one time, firstly it will deactivate the first level, then it will, on the second click of this button, then this will again switch to the second level of denoising. Okay, let's test the third level of noise reduction of this mic. So click it one more time. Second level is deactivated now. Now we are switching to the third level.
Click it one more time. There's still a green steady light showing over this device. I purchased this from Amazon and around I guess 2,500 around I purchased this mic. Okay, so that's it for now. And that's enough to test this mic. Thank you.